Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering a small, effective kit and deciding what to explore. Use 120-200 GSM paper and 3 pen sizes to keep lines varied. Sketch a simple focal motif first, then build surrounding supporting shapes. Once done, lock the composition by darkening key outlines and erase stray pencil marks. Make sure to pace yourself. Start with larger forms before adding detail so you don't overcrowd the page. This preserves balance and gives your doodles room to breathe. Now move into the complex middle stage where rhythm and texture make the art read as intentional. Work area by area, alternating dense patterning with open space to create contrast. Vary line weight and spacing so some elements pop while others recede. This suggests light and volume. Once a section feels flat, add stippling or cross-hatching to build depth. Make sure to use recurring motifs to connect separate clusters, so the whole page reads cohesively and guides the viewer's eye smoothly. Finish by refining edges, adding tiny highlights, and carving out negative space to sharpen your focal motif. Once done, step back and view from a distance to spot imbalance. Adjust density and erase small sections if needed. Make sure to scan at 300 dpi for backup or tweak contrast digitally to match your intent. If something looks cluttered, remove or lighten adjacent patterns. This simple subtraction often saves a piece. Keep a consistent visual rhythm, and you'll end with a polished doodle art page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.